Yoga is the most effective and time-tested natural immunity booster that leads to a healthy, sickness-free body. Its significance has increased even more due to the prevailing pandemic where we require a strong immune system to fight the virus. But to experience yoga's benefits, it needs to be practiced regularly. However, with hectic work schedules or laziness, making time for yoga becomes a dream too ambitious for us. Yet, there are ways to fulfill this dream. We friends have made yoga a part of our daily routine, and today we'll share some easy yoga asanas, including few standing poses, seated poses, and some lying down poses, followed by few breathing techniques. So this International Day of Yoga, try adding these yoga asanas to your routine. Our first pose is mountain pose, that is Tadasana. It helps gain balance and helps increase height. Tree pose, Vrakshasana, rectifies posture. Standing spinal twist pose, Kati Chakrasana, strengthens spine. The chair pose, Utkatasana, improves posture and balance. Cow face pose, Gomukhasana, improves back flexibility and stretches shoulders. Bow pose, Dhanurasana, tones the lower back. It opens chest cavity and strengthens the lungs. Pyramid pose, Parsvottanasana, stretches the back, groin and inner thighs. The triangle pose, Trikonasana, stretches inner thighs and groin. Warrior pose, Veerbhadrasana, shapes calves and hips, also stretches ankles and thighs. The butterfly pose, Bhadakonasana, is a great hip opener and posture corrector. The camel pose, Ushtrasana, strengthens knees and back and improves concentration. The crane or crow pose, Bakasana or Kakasana, enhances arm and shoulder strength. The boat pose, Navasana, helps get rid of belly fat. The fish pose, Matsyasana, enhances lung capacity. Superwoman pose, Viprita Salabhasana, stretches arms and thighs. Garland pose, Malasana, improves digestion. Monkey pose, that is Hanumanasana, it improves concentration and is great for stretching chest, feet and ankles. Bridge pose, Dhanurasana, improves neck and spine and enhances memory and focus. Scale pose, Tolasana, strengthens arms, shoulders and chest, great for balance enhancement and grip. Staff pose, Chaturanga Dandasana, works great for balance. The head to knee pose, Janu Shirshasana, is great stretch for hamstrings and calves. Revolved head to knee pose, Parivritta Janu Shirshasana, stretches abdomen and arms. Hand to toe pose, Hasta Padangusthasana, improves balance and focus. Half fish pose, Ardha Matsyasana, beneficial in weight loss and asthma. The wheel pose, Chakrasana, induces happiness and relieves from anger and frustration. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana, enhances cardiovascular capacity. Eagle pose, Garudasana, is great for balance and curing respiratory problems. Child pose, Balasana, great for relieving stress, helps sleep better at night. Unsupported shoulder stand, Sarvangasana, strengthens shoulder and neck, improves balance and mental focus. Plow pose, Halasana, stretches the back, strengthens shoulder and neck, tones abdomen and relieves from obesity. Wind releasing pose, Pavanamuktasana, stimulates digestive system and rejuvenates the body and mind. Shavasana, ideal pose for Yoga Nidra. Amongst the pranayama, the most important are Kapalbhati, which aids in digestion and removal of acidity. Anulom Vilom, treats snoring, controls obesity, and is beneficial for arthritis. It controls allergies and manages blood circulation. Brahmari Pranayam reduces stress, anxiety, anger, frustration. Om chanting helps improve concentration, reduces stress and anxiety. It also ensures sound sleep. With the amazing benefits of regular yoga, there is no reason why you shouldn't be doing it every day. If your resolution is firm, your brain will buzz with ideas to make sure that you are regular with your practice. So good luck with your yoga journey. We all wish you a very happy International Yoga Day. Please comment, like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more such videos.